Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start enhancing brand visibility with Facebook ads step by step clearly. Define your target audience. Identify the demographics, interests, and behaviors of potential customers. Create a Facebook Business Manager account if you haven't done so already. Access the Ads Manager through your Business Manager dashboard. Click on the Create button to start a new campaign. Choose an objective that aligns with your brand visibility goals. Consider options like brand awareness or reach. Name your campaign and set your budget. Determine whether to set a daily or lifetime budget. Define your audience by selecting location, age, gender, and interests. Use the audience targeting tools to narrow your reach. Select ad placements, either automatic or manual. For maximum visibility, choose placements across Facebook and Instagram. Create your ad by selecting an ad format that best showcases your brand. Consider formats like image, video, or carousel. Upload your visuals and craft compelling ad copy. Ensure your messaging is clear and aligns with your brand voice. Add a strong call to action that encourages engagement. Preview your ad to ensure everything appears correctly. Set up tracking for your ad performance. Utilize Facebook Pixel to monitor actions on your website. Review your campaign settings and make any necessary adjustments. Launch your campaign by clicking the Publish button. Monitor your ad performance regularly through the Ads Manager. Analyze key metrics like reach, impressions, and engagement. Adjust your targeting or ad creative based on performance insights. Iterate on your campaigns by testing different formats and messages. Stay informed on Facebook's advertising policies to ensure compliance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.